So ito guys, Just Another Woman in Love by Aegis. Ayan, ito try natin to kung kaya natin. Kaya ng mic talaga, kaya ng mic. Di ba ang lakas, di ba? Ayan, okay, this song is for you. Guys, welcome back to my channel again. It's me, Kati Rai. Ayan, today's vlog is mag-unbox tayo. Ayan, in-order ko sa TikTok. Isa to sa trending ngayon. So, nabudol talaga ako guys. So, tingnan natin kung okay ba yung items, okay ba yung quality niya. Kasi talagang na-amaze talaga. Buksan natin. Sana okay yung quality niya. I decided to try na bilhin guys kasi minsan kasi mahilig ako mag-video, okay? Ayan. So maganda siya, maganda siya kasi wireless. At the same time, dalawa yung mic niya. So kung dalawa kayo, so pwede kayong dalawa magsabay kumanta. And very handy siya guys. Look at that. Ang ganda, grabe. Ang ganda. Ang color na pinili ko pala is gold. Kaso wala siyang available. So, black na lang. Ito na lang black yung in-order ko. Parang hirap. Parang ayaw niyang magpakuha. Ayan na lang na. Ayan. So, ito na. This is it guys. Ayan o. Ang cute. Ayan guys. Ito yung karaoke speaker. Ayan. Super ganda. Super handy siya guys. Promise. Ayan o. Ang ganda, grabe. Ma-amaze talaga kayo guys. And, pwede niyong mabitbit. Ayun nga lang guys, o ayan, may siya defect. Siguro nalaglag to. So, yung naman, sana hindi lang siya sana okay pa siya. Kasi ayan I'm sure nalaglag to guys. Ayan, pero wala na akong magagawa. Kaysa sa ibalik ko pa, ako pa yung magpapadala. Hassle masyado, so okay lang yan. Mas importante, tama yung binili ko. And then, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys. Ayan, may dalawang mic siya. Ayan dalawang mic. Super cute. Super cute niya guys, grabe. Ayan look at that. Sobrang liit. So, pwede nyong kadalhin-dalhin talaga. Kung mag-outing kayo, ayan, pwede nyong dalhin. Kasi magaan lang talaga siya. And then, yung isa, try natin mamaya. Ayan, ito, yung isa. Yung dalawa siya. Ayan, dalawa. Tingnan natin yung flavor. Ayan na, ang cute. Super handy niya, promise guys. Hindi kayo mahihirapan kung mag-outing kayo, pwede nyong dalhin. Ayan, grabe. Super cute talaga. And then, ita-try natin kung maganda yung tunog niya. And then, ito naman yung mababasa nyo naman dito yung power, yung tone niya, and nandito na lahat. Ayan, makita nyo dito kung paano nyo gagamitin. Makikita nyo ba dito? Ayan, medyo kasi dito. Ito yung power, ayan yung power, ito yung power niya, power, and then yung M, yung volume, pwede nyo lakasan, pwede nyo hinaan, and then ito yung ipo-forward nyo, ayan, forward nyo, and ito naman yung tone, ito sa baba, and then reverse, ayan kung gusto nyo i-reverse, echo, ayan, echo, and vocal out, ayan. So ito lang lahat guys. So, ayan, i-try natin kung talagang maganda yung tunog niya. I-try natin, open muna natin siya. I-on muna natin yung power. Ayan, o, diba narinig nyo? Ayan, o, diba? Naka-ready na siya. Bluetooth, ayan. Ipukunin natin itong mic na isa. I-try natin. Yung power niya is nandito sa baba, guys. Nandito sa baba. So, open natin. Narinig nyo?
Nalala mic yes.
Ang lakas!
Pwede kong gamitin mag-vlog ko guys. Ang lakas ng vlog ko.
Nag-echo na.
Nag-echo tuloy.
Isa-try natin. Maghanap tayo ng song. Try natin ang yan dapat, para hindi mag-echo. Ay, sorry. Pasensya na po kayo kasi first time in-excite lang ako. Dapat pala nakatalikod yung speaker. Ayan, and then dito yung front. Dito yung front, yung mic. Ayan. So, maghanap tayo ng song. Try natin guys, okay? Wait for a while. Mag-search tayo ng song. Ano bang kanta na alam ko? Wait lang guys, makanap tayo. Ang lakas na, diba? Grabe. Ito daw. Nasap na rin yung puso ko, kaya tayo, palit tayo ng Sir Woman in Love by Anne Moray. Ayan. This song is for you guys. I hope you like it. I'm strong, I'm sure, I'm in control. A lady with a plan. Believing that life is a little package I hold in my hand. I got it together, they call me the girl who
will fumble and fall, run into the wall. 'Cause when it comes to you, just another woman alive, a kid out of school, a fire out of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, I'm a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you and just another woman, just another woman in love. Pasensya na kayo guys sa boses ko, hindi ako singer. So pardon me if I should stay and tremble like a child. That one thing you all over your face is driving me wild. I'm just what you made me, can't wait till you take me and set all my feelings free. I know that you can, so come be my man. Tonight I wanna be just another woman in love, a kid out of school, a fire out of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, I'm a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. I'm just another woman in love, a kid out of school, a fire out of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, I'm a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. Thank you guys. Nakaraos din. Bye! Ayun guys, ito yung song. Hi guys, ito yung song na pangalawa. Kakay natin. Ayan, No Arms Can Hold. No Arms Can Ever Hold You. Ayan. By Chris Norman. Ayan. Try natin to guys. Sana makaraos ako. Baby frozen tears. Ayan na naman. Nahuli na naman ako guys. 2. No Arms Can Ever Hold You by Chris Norman. The song is for you guys. Thank you so much. Ayan. Pagpasensyahan niyo lang ako ngayon guys ha. Baby frozen tears, it was past the years. I'll never give up, never one of my dreams. And deep inside is my love still alive, and God only knows that I can't let you go. When I'm in love, it will be for better. I gave you my heart forever and ever. No words can ever hold you more than I do. No man can ever love you, no, it's true. No words can ever hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, girl, it's true. And if I ever lose your love, if I ever lose your heart, oh baby, I'm dying for your love. Sorry guys, medyo nahuli ako. Hindi ko na timing. Pagpasensyahan nyo na guys. Ayan. So ito yung tone. Ita-try natin. Ayan.
So, iba-iba yung tone niya guys. Low.
May iba na yung tone niya, guys.
Sinira ko na yung tone.
OMG. Ayan na, ito na. Ang daming tone. So, talagang maiiba yung boses natin, guys, pag pipindutin natin. Pero ibalik na natin. So, ito na yung normal niya. O, di ba?
Nahuli na talaga si kinanta.
It will be for better. I gave you my heart forever and ever. No one can ever hold you more than I do. No man can ever love you, baby, it's true. No arms can never hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, girl, it's true. And if I ever lose your love, if I ever lose your heart, baby, I'm dying for your love. And if I ever lose your smile, if I ever lose your heart, everybody needs someone to love, and I say, no one can ever hold you more than I do. No man can ever love you, girl, it's true. No man can ever hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, yes, it's true.
Yan guys, sa wakas, nakalaos din ako. Thank you so much guys for watching. I love you all guys. Ayan guys, nakaraos din ako sa dalawang song na kinanta ko. Kahit hindi nagka-timing. Ayan, kasi gusto ko lang naman kasi talaga siyang i-try. Ayan. Gusto ko lang talaga siyang i-try para marinig nyo kung ano yung tone niya, kung gaano siya kalakas. And so far, malakas talaga siya, diba? Narinig nyo naman, diba? Sobrang lakas niya. Kahit maliit siya, pero malakas yung tone niya. And malakas talaga yung niya, speaker niya. So, hindi talaga kayo magsisisi, guys, promise. So, ito lang yung mapakita ko sa inyo ngayon, guys. Itong karaoke speaker. Ayan, may dalawang speaker siya. Dalawang mic. Ayan, yung pinapakita ko sa inyo. Ito. Dalawang mic. Hello. Ay, hindi ko pala na-on pa yung isa. I-on natin. Try natin. Hello, mic. Oh, diba? Hello, mic test. Hello, mic test. So, pareho lang yung lakas niya, guys.